So, needed to build a gate around the side of the house, and did come up with a plan and everything to use steel and a timber frame that my wife wanted to, or had found a design for. And up that section of the house, up the front where I've been doing all my work here, you're going to put a gate up there. When we looked at how much it was going to cost to do the to get the steel, we thought maybe we could do it with a hardwood frame, since it was going to be hardwood slats. So if we just come across here, if there's one thing I've got, it's a stack of hardwood. So here's all the hardwood I've got. I'm going to go picking through it. These used to be the hardwood joists underneath the gym floor at my work, at my school. And so I've got plenty of it here. I just need to clean it up, de-nail and get rid of it, get it all cleaned up for a framework so it's nice, because it is a nice colour underneath all the, under the greying. So I've got a bit of time now that I've just got to basically clean up some timber, reclaim the way that I love to reclaim, and come up with something that looks nice. I'm going to have some bridle joints in the corners of the frames to make them stronger, and see how we go. A lot of work, a lot of fun though. So I've got my timber selected out. Those ones will be for rails because they're a bit shorter, and these ones here a lot longer than what I need, but I've just got to do a lot of denailing. As you can see, there's quite a few in there because they were floor joists. And my tools of choice, my pincers, claw hammer, nail punch for those ones that don't want to come out or they snap. This nice claw, which works by grabbing the nail and gives you a bit more leverage. And I also use a crowbar or a wrecking bar sometimes just to get some leverage on some of these, so we'll see how we go. So there's my boards. They've been de-nailed or belted in where they snapped off. There's the hole just from these boards. Now I've got to get the plane out and plane them down. So I've managed to get all my boards cleaned up, and as I was looking at them though, noticed that some of them had quite a big bow in them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them to length, and then sit my straight edge on it, my pretend track saw, and run the saw along one side to sort of get it straight, and then I can run it through my table saw to get it level or parallel, more to the point. I'll show you what it is. You should be able to see the bit of the bow in this one. So it's sort of curving that way. So now with this lined up at each end, you can see that it bows out and then comes back in towards the track. So I'm going to trim it off, and then when I run it through the saw with this again, with this side against the edge, the other side will get cut parallel. So as you may be able to see, I'm losing light, and that's one of the problems with my workshop, is that it's in the yard. So I've got to pack all that up and put it away, which is a bit annoying. Means part of my time is taken up doing that. Empty the compressor and put the saw away and put the timber under cover so it doesn't get rained on, just in case. After all, I'm in the mountains, it rains at night.